Morning, everybody. My name is Sumit Kumar, and today I am going to share one story with you that I have created by myself. My teacher Mandeep sir gave me some words, so I created that story with the help of those words. Those words are car, food, fear, afraid, visit, forest, kill, love, and happy and enjoy. So I have created the beautiful story, not the beautiful, but I created the story by myself. So I'm going to share with you. one day me and my friends One day me and my friends made a plan to do some adventure. So we decided to go in a forest. So after that day, my friend picked me up by his car in the morning at 6 a.m. Okay, no, at the 5 a.m. And after that, we were six friends. And in the middle, and in the middle, we purchased some food. We purchased some food from the shop, and then we started enjoying, like 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 listening music, do chit chat, and many things. After the after after the 1 hour of driving, we reached we reached our destination at the forest in the morning at the 6 a.m. But after that, after reaching at the destination, we saw that there was nobody at the forest, and my friend were afraid that like it would be the it would be bad thing it would be bad that we should not go inside in the forest, because like there is a wild animals. But I encourage my friends, and they ready to start in and they ready to go inside in the forest. So after 1 and 2 3 minutes, we after 1 and 2 3 minutes, we heard a sound of a baby elephant. We heard a sound of a baby elephant. He was coming to us. And he was a baby elephant, not that much big. He was a little baby. So that elephant was very cute. That elephant was very cute. So after that, we like that elephant came to us, and and then we then we thought that why he came to us. He came to us because he lost from his heart of the elephant. That's why he came to us. Then our friends then my friends were playing with that elephant, because that elephant didn't want to hurt us. Like he wants to play with us. Okay. Then after 1 hour, we decided that we should meet him with his herd of friend with his herd of elephants. And then after that we decided to give him a beautiful name. But we were confused that what name we could give him. So after 2 and 3 minutes, my friend suggested a name, Gajju. And it and that name clicked me. So I gave him a name, Gajju. Okay. So after that, we were starting finding the that like his family. After that, we saw them, but suddenly we spotted a hunters of group. They wanted to kill the animals. They wanted to kill the elephants because of the tusk. Because tusk is a teeth of elephant. They wanted to kill the elephant because of the tusk, for the money and for the export. So after that, we decided to save that elephants, because they were like because they also have a life. Because they also have a life. We cannot kill anybody. So after that, we decided to inform the forest department. But that time there was nobody. Because in the morning there was nobody. So after that, we decided to call them. But there was no network in the phone also. There was no network. So we were also tensed that what should we do. But my one friend said that I have a network, because I have a postpaid SIM. So I was happy that we could inform the forest department. But after that, we searched the forest department mobile number on the Google. And and we informed them that there are lots of group of hunters. They wanted to kill the animals. They want to kill the elephants. So please come fast. So they said that we are coming in only 10 minutes. So please like so please stay calm. Don't no need to worry. And but we didn't have a time to see this that like they kill them. So we put our hands on hand. We cannot do that. So we made a plan. That we should distract the hunters of group by throwing by throwing stones on them, and like doing some mischief. Okay, so after that, but suddenly Gajju went fastly to his herd of elephants. So we fastly implemented our plan. As we made, and we threw a stones on the hunters without seeing by them. We hide at the like a top of the tree, and behind of the tree. After that we saw that we had been doing that things since 15 minutes, but nobody came. But after the 15 minutes, one car came, and that car was a forest department, from the forest department. And now that time we were happy that we could go our home, and we could save the elephants. After that, forest department came, and they saved all the elephants, and they arrested all the hunters, and they arrested all the hunters and they arrested all the hunters. So in the last, everyone was happy. Was happy, but we saw that like Gajju's mother was loving him very with the pampering. Okay, but in the last we left from there by doing by them. Okay, that was my story. Thank you.